Hi, I'm David Birchler, the Technology Support Coordinator for It's About Time. I'm excited to show you how the Einstein Tablet Plus can empower you and inspire your students with an engaging science learning experience. The Einstein is the only educational tablet designed to help you teach students key science and engineering practices and concepts.
That's so cool.
This is the Einstein Tablet Plus. It has 8 built-in sensors commonly used in most science curricula. Here, there's the light and UV sensor. Here is the heart rate sensor. Here is where the readings for the temperature and humidity come in. Here is the microphone sensor, and inside is the GPS and the accelerometer. There are also ports to plug in up to 8 external sensors from the multitude of Einstein sensors available. These sensors can be used to enhance any science curriculum. I'll use a unit from Project-Based Inquiry Science, PBIS, our middle school science program called Weather Watch, to show you what I mean. One of the questions students need to answer in this unit is, why are southern regions of the United States warmer than northern regions? To answer this question, students run a simulation by shining a flashlight on graph paper set at different angles to the flashlight and judging the differences in the intensity of light by looking at the beam. Think how much more meaningful students' data would be if they can change observations such as bright and not as bright to something more quantitative. Consider how much more engaging it would be for you and your students if you could display and share data instantaneously. Let's take a look at what this investigation would look like using the Einstein and its built-in light sensor. I've set the equipment up in the same way it's described in the book. I'm performing the experiment and marking the area covered by the light at each angle: 90 degrees, 110 degrees, 130 degrees, and 150 degrees, as the book instructs. But using the Einstein allows your students to gather quantitative data, not just qualitative. For this activity, I suggest that you adjust the tablet to make a measurement every minute and maintain the light sensor at the point directly at the center of the flashlight and exactly 9 centimeters away from the flashlight. On the Einstein, the data will be displayed in 6 different ways. There are 4 meter representations: analog, digital, bar, and color, plus a graphical and a tabular view. This can be a great advantage for students with different learning modalities. Once students have this data, they can export it to a spreadsheet app to use in their journals. Then they can email the journals to their group members, classmates, and teacher. Students can connect the Einstein to a projector via HDMI and present their findings to the class. Very few tablets have this capability. The Einstein also has a micro SD slot that increases storage space and is another way to share information. You can see how powerful the Einstein Tablet Plus is and how it will transform STEM teaching and learning practices in your classroom. For more information, go to iat.com and click on Einstein.